How to show awesome greetings with Schogini Toys DIY Kit Menu L110. Hey, awesome kids! Today, we're going to have a blast with Menu L110's super cool greetings activity. First up, you gotta be at Menu L110. If you're scratching your head wondering how to get there, go watch our How to Navigate the Menu video. It's like your treasure map to fun. Let the greeting fun begin. Ready to send some smiles? Press down on the joystick like you're clicking a button, and tada, your greeting adventure starts. Quick tip, wait for the scrolling help line to finish. But hey, if you can't wait to start, just move the joystick to the left to skip it and jump right in. How to choose your greeting? Wanna pick a greeting? Move the joystick up or down to scroll through a bunch of awesome greetings. Taking a break, done sending smiles? To exit, just move the joystick to the left, and you're out there. Super cool feature alert, guess what? This DIY kit remembers the last greeting you picked. So, even if you turn it off and come back later, pressing the joystick will start scrolling your last chosen greeting. And that's it, folks. Now you can send greetings in the coolest way ever. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.